Chapter 9, Exercise 2, Part 4 of 6, bracket. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name, bracket. Store it in the fully support folder. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select XZ template. Select OK. Draw the outer profile. Edit this dimension to 20 mm. Edit this height to 5 mm. Select make equal length. Select make symmetry with respect to the vertical line. Now select offset. Select the connected curves from the filter. Enter the distance 1 point. Enter the distance 1.25 and reverse the direction. Hit OK. Create a line and close the sketch. Finish sketch. Create extrude. Enter the value 31.25. The end distance. Hit OK. Now create a sketch. In the bottom face and specify the origin point to the origin of atom coordinate system. Select the horizontal reference. X-axis and say OK. Create the outer profile of the sketch. Edit this dimension to 20. Edit this dimension to 5 mm. Select make equal length. Similarly, select make symmetric about the vertical axis. Now create an offset. Select the connected curves, distance 1.25 mm. Select this curve and reverse the direction. Say OK. Now complete the open profile. This completes our sketch. Now select extrude to a distance of 42.5 mm and select unite in the Boolean operation. So, okay. Now type rib in the command finder window to specify this section. Select the create section. Select this face of the plane. Say OK. Select include the outer vertical and horizontal lines. Draw a line and start giving dimensions. Edit this dimension to 27.5. Edit this dimension to 27.5. Edit this dimension to 40. Finish the sketch. Enter the thickness 1.25. Parallel to the section plane. Say OK. Now select mirror feature. Select the rib feature. Select the existing plane. Select YZ plane. Say OK. Now create a sketch in this face. Specify the origin. Create a sketch in this face. Specify the origin point to the origin of datum coordinate system. Draw a rectangle using 2-point method. Select make symmetric about the vertical axis. Select include the top edge into this section. Dimensioning. Edit this value to 4 mm. This dimension to 22.5 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Enter the value 2.5 mm. Select unit in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketches. Now create a simple hole. Enter the diameter 2.5. To specify the point, select the sketching plane. Select this plane, and to specify the origin, select the origin of datum coordinate system. Say OK. Include the top edge for dimensioning. Create 2 points like this. Now start dimensioning. This value 7.5 mm. Edit this value 0 mm. Similarly from this point to the next point, distance 10 mm. Vertical height 0 mm. Finish the sketch. Normal to face. Depth limit through body. Boolean operation subtract. Select OK. Orient it to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 2, part 4 of 6 bracket.